Shiba Inu bounced back with a massive gain of over 14% in the last 24 hours. The massive Shiba Inu burn is on its way as the Shiba Inu team is all set to advance into trillion-dollar metaverse. What this metaverse is, how this will help Shiba Inu to hit an all-time high in this ending year, what is the new listing that happened today for Shiba Inu. These questions will be answered today. Further, we will also discuss how Robinhood is facing intense pressure to list Shiba Inu. So stick around for that because today's video is full of price boosting Shiba Inu updates. So let's get started. Before moving to the topic, let's quickly check how Shiba Inu is performing today. After a continuous downfall, the live Shiba Inu is trading at a massive gain of over 14% in the last 24 hours. One Shiba Inu token is worth 380 Satoshi units with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.3 billion. The current coin market cap ranking is number 13 with a live market cap of $21 billion. What new listing do we get today? How price of Shiba Inu reacted to this? One of the biggest crypto exchange, Kraken, listed Shiba Inu on its platform. Kraken's listing of Shiba Inu on its platform seems to be putting extensive pressure on popular crypto trading app Robinhood. We all know that Robinhood is way too behind and is intense loss with this delayed listing. Responding to a question from Dan Roberts, editor-in-chief of Decrypt, Robinhood CEO Christian Brown said the trading app would not talk about listing the Doge Killer. However, after Kraken unexpectedly listed Shiba Inu, SHIB fans can't help but wonder whether Robinhood will give in to the pressure and finally list the coin. In early November, Coin Momo, a site that offers crypto trading analysts, hinted at the possibility of Robinhood listing Shiba Inu. But shortly after the claims were kicked to the edge, Christine stated that Robinhood's strategy is a little bit different than a lot of the other players out there who are just racing to list as many assets as possible right now. It is, however, unclear whether Robinhood will sustain the pressure mounting on them from SHIB enthusiasts. The coin has had many of its supporters come out asking for its listing. Presently, there is a petition on change.org asking Robinhood to list the coin. This petition has over 544,000 signatures and counting. Even so, supporters of the Doge meme coin are still on social media craze. Satoshi SHIB's project lead even went a step further to retweet a tweet that suggested that Shiba Inu's listing on Kraken will force Robinhood to list the coin before the end of 2021. What do you think about this? Will Shiba Inu be listed on Robinhood by end of this year? Do share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Moving further to a massive burn project for Shiba Inu that is almost here. Shiba Inu has a real focus on blockchain gaming in a watershed movement supposed to greatly reduce the number of tokens in circulation, boosting the price to heights. As per lead developer Satoshi, developers are very much serious about this metaverse multiplayer gaming. He termed this as the future of gaming was poised to be a game changer in the industry. Although gaming is not an entirely new thought, according to Kusama, who disclosed that the thought had already been envisioned by Shiba Inu's founder Ryoshi. It was not until now that the team has seriously considering bringing the idea into life. On this note, the team had sought the help of building AAA games with the help of a celebrated game developer and former vice president of technology at Activision, William David Ward. I am honored to be working with an amazing team on what will become one of the most significant games of all time, said William David Ward. Through a non-disclosure agreement signed between the parties last month, Kusama noted that it was the only sure way to create a secure game that is worthy of friendship while giving the team a competitive advantage over all the other gaming. Metaverse and NFT system clones sound interesting. Every Shiba Army member is eagerly waiting for this launch. According to Satoshi, the first version of the Shibuya game will be built by a group of developers and consultants led by William and shall be available primarily for the mobile platform. Will Shiba Inu bounce more into this in the year? According to our prediction, Shiba Inu is not a meme token anymore. Price of Shiba Inu can easily cut 1 or 2 out of its price with a Robinhood listing and will hit 1000 Satoshi units easily. With this, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching.